A young African woman who had a severe facial disfigurement has thanked Brisbane surgeons for giving her a new look and a new life. The gunshot wound she suffered as a child is gone, and so is the veil she hid behind.
Sore but smiling like she never imagined possible.
She's a brave kid.
This is the first time Ayaan Mohammed can remember showing her face without shame.
Her morale is high.
Ayaan was shot in the cheek as a toddler in Somaliland. The cruelty of civil war moved strangers to help. Surgeons at Brisbane's Wesley Hospital repaired Ayaan's face free of charge. It was a difficult operation lasting 11 hours.
The combination is complex. We don't see hundreds of gunshot injuries in Australia, which is our good luck.
The surgery was done on a Saturday because the people who were working in the operating theatre and helping Ayaan were doing this on their day off.
Ayaan's been campaigning for treatment for 11 years.
My name is Ayaan Mohammed. I am 22 years old.
She's now 25 and recovering well.
It's been a hands across the world that have brought Ayaan to where she is today.
Ayaan was 2 when she was shot, the same age as her daughter, who'll grow up without questions about her mother's face. Ayaan has faced bullies all her life. High school was so bad she dropped out. Her new face has inspired new dreams. She wants to study again and become a doctor. To change lives like these surgeons have done for her.
Ayaan is a new person.
Michelle Rattray, 7 News.